Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Yep, we're still in the he shop, and today we're gonna give this a makeover. So I got this free in that box of, or the van full of stuff that a friend of mine, her mother-in-law passed away and she gave it to me. Obviously, I mean, they need love, right? They weren't that cute to begin with. The painting on it is terrible. Like, it's terrible. I don't know if somebody painted over them or what, but we're gonna paint over them. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray paint, that's why I'm in the he shop, a coat of black enamel over the top of them. And then I think I'm gonna do these birds in a color shift paint because, yeah, that'd be so cool to have the color shifting birds. That'd be really neat. So that's what I'm gonna do. And right now I'm gonna go into the spray booth. You can hear it behind me going away. And I'm gonna give it a flat matte black paint. And they already look better. So I think we just let that dry for a little bit. And then I'm gonna get the chrome or the color shifting paint and we're gonna cover it. I missed a spot. We gotta hit that before we do anything else. I figured I'd throw a few mermaid tails in here as long as we're spray painting some color shifting paint, and I'm going to get after it. So these will be color shifting birds and color shifting mermaid tails. I have 2 coats of the color shift on it and they look so much better now, those birds. Oh my gosh, so cute. Anyway, I'm gonna let those dry and I'm gonna go inside. Ladies and gentlemen, we are out in my backyard the next day because I wanted to see this in the light. Look at how pretty she shimmers and changes color, except I noticed something. I missed some spots, so you know what that means. We're doing it again from upside down. Oh, birdies, you're gonna be the death of me, but they sure look prettier than they did. All hand painted and weird. Now they're kind of pretty. I think this is a candle holder, or at least that's what I'm gonna call it when I sell it, but I'm gonna get it turned upside down and paint it today. All right, I got it laid outside on a board here, and you can see I should be able to get to all the pieces that I didn't get to yesterday. And then it was a candle. It says Colonial Candle Japan. So it was from JCPenney. But we're gonna get this all painted up. And now it's covered. And I did go right over the top of the other stuff because it was still sticky. It wasn't completely dry. So it should adhere just fine. Okay, we are a couple days later and I wore my computer glasses home today. I hate these glasses. These are the ones I wear so I can see computers, but they're not friendly for lights, so I apologize. But I couldn't end without showing you guys how the birds turned out. I love them. You know I love the color shift anyway. I got all up underneath their little butts now, so their little butts are painted too, but I'll be honest with you, if I go to the thrift store or a garage sale and I find a mermaid, y'all, she's getting a makeover. Because look at the purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue. I love the color shifting paint. So our little birdies, they look 100% better than they did. It may not be everybody's cup of tea, but they definitely have a better chance at a new life now than they did with their really icky. That paint job was terrible, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, birdies. I love you now. I love the birds now. I think I'm going to put a candle in there to stage it. We're going to get it in the shop, put a price tag on it, and hopefully somebody loves her. She's beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys don't see the purple much, do you? I think the lighting is weird because when I'm looking at it from here, it's purple. And all you're seeing really is blue. Oh wait, there's some purple. Anyway, I see purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue. You can kind of see a little purple, but it's mostly blue in the camera. So odd. Anyway, she's all done. I love it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.